guys, and welcome back to a brand new episode of Planet Bollywood, the one-stop shop for all your latest and most current dose of everything that you need to know from the world of Bollywood and social media. My name is Manish, and before we kickstart the show, I'm going to remind you guys to check out our Zoom Facebook page for all the latest, most updated news on the go about your favorite celebrities. And on that note, here are our top stories. Saif reacts to trolls and says they are angry people in small apartments. Ananya wears a specially made jacket that is a tribute to Kareena and Pooh. Kangana criticized by Himanshi and Diljit for her comments against farmers' protest. Katrina is a knob to technology, but we love her hilarious new video. Aditya Narayan reveals he had a wardrobe malfunction during his wedding. Taimur has been spending time with mommy Kareena and papa Saif in the beautiful hill stations of North India. Recently, when Bebo shared pictures of herself and Taimur taking pottery classes, कुछ लोगों ने उन्हें troll किया था. Reacting to these negative comments, Saif has now said that he sympathizes with these people who must be stuck in small apartments in big cities. While Saif is busy shooting for the film Bhoot Police, Kareena and Taimur are enjoying an extended holiday in the hills. Bebo, who recently finished filming Lal Singh Chaddha and her chat show, is enjoying a baby moon with Saif and Taimur in the beautiful locations of Dharamshala and Palampur. Saif has several interesting projects lined up in the next couple of months, and with a new baby on the way as well, it looks like it's going to get busy but super fun for the celebrity couple. Check it out. The only silver lining to the lockdown has been that little Taimur is enjoying lots of quality time with his parents. First at their home in Mumbai and now in the hill stations of India. While they usually spend Christmas each year in their luxury chalet in Gastad, इस साल वो इंडिया के हिल स्टेशंस में वक्त गुजार रहे हैं. While Papa Saif is out shooting all day, he is back in the evenings to spend time with Taimur and Kareena. Kareena, ever the doting mummy, has been sharing pictures of Taimur enjoying his extended holiday. कभी वो French fries खाते हैं तो कभी अपनी mom के साथ cooking और pottery करते हैं. While people have showered Taimur's pictures with lots of love, there were some trolls who ended up making nasty comments against the tiny tot and his family. Talking about this unnecessary negativity in an interview, Saif ने कहा कि उन्हें ऐसे लोगों से फर्क नहीं पड़ता. The actor said that he is privileged to be able to travel around the country and is lucky that his job takes him to scenic locations around the world. लेकिन हर किसी को ये मौका नहीं मिलता और शायद इसीलिए वो अपनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन स्टार्स पे निकालते हैं. I'm lucky to have an amazing job that brings me to places like these. Not everyone is as lucky, and it can get frustrating being penned in a small apartment in the big city. Knowing that the negativity comes from there, I can be forgiving, said Saif. Saif also expressed gratitude at having his family with him so he doesn't have to come back to an empty hotel room and feel lonely. Saif Ali Khan also talked about his son, Ibrahim Ali Khan's acting debut in Bollywood. The doting father revealed that he wants Ibrahim to have a debut like Hrithik Roshan. He said, like Hrithik Roshan, he should just explode on the screen. On the work front, Saif has many films like Bunty Aur Bubbly 2, Bhoot Police, Adi Purush, and a web series called Tandav lined up for release from the end of 2020 all the way into 2021. Add a brand new baby and it looks like the Pataudy household is going to be filled with cheer and excitement in the days to come. Ananya Pandey है करीना कपूर खान की बहुत बड़ी fan, and the actor proved it by wearing a jacket that was a special tribute to Kareena and the eternally popular character Pooh. Ananya Pandey is one of the up-and-coming stars in Bollywood, and the young actor is all set to star in Shakun Batra's next film with Deepika Padukone and Siddhant Chaturvedi. Ananya, who made her debut with the film Student of the Year 2 and then went on to act in Pati Patni Aur Wo and Khali Pili. But being an actor herself hasn't stopped her from being a fangirl of other stars, and when it comes to Pooh from K3G, I think we can all agree that she is one of the most iconic characters that Kareena has played. You want to know what I'm talking about? Check out the story.
Ananya is all set to make an appearance on Kareena's chat show, and though their interaction was virtual, the young star was thrilled to be able to chat with Bebo, जिनकी वो बहुत बड़ी fan है. Ananya had also made sure to dress in an extra special outfit that expressed her love and admiration for Bebo. Ananya, who must have been just a few years old when Kabhi Khushi Kabhi Gum was released, wore a special pink jacket with several details that celebrated Pooh's most popular one-liners from the film. Ananya Kareena को अपनी जैकेट दिखाने के लिए बहुत ही excited थी, and she said, "Can I tell you what's behind my look today? Because I think it will be very exciting. So I need to show you this jacket that I've gotten made." जैकेट को दिखाते हुए अनन्या ने बताया that along the sleeves is the catchphrase good looks and good looks, which is a one-liner said by Pooh when she's flirting with Hrithik's character in the film. जैकेट के फ्रंट पॉकेट पे एक और पॉपुलर डायलॉग है which is PHAT, also known as fat, pretty hot and tempting. Pooh अपने इंट्रोडक्शन सीन के बाद ये डायलॉग कहती है when she asks her friends if she is looking fat. If this was not enough of a tribute, Ananya ने जैकेट को घुमा के करीना को दिखाया that even on the back there is a picture of Bebo from the scene where she says, "Tell me how it was," while driving a guy away. करीना को ये स्पेशल जैकेट और उसके सारे Pooh ट्रिब्यूट्स दिखाने के बाद अनन्या ने कहा कि उन्होंने जैकेट स्पेशली बनवाया था, but she never had the right opportunity to wear it. लेकिन जब खुद बेबो से बात करने का मौका मिला, she had to wear her Pooh tribute jacket. Bebo also seemed to be amazed and touched by the effort Ananya had made and the obvious love she has for both Pooh and Bebo. Ananya has been open about her admiration and respect for senior actors in the industry and has also become very close to Deepika Padukone while filming with her for Shakun Batra's Next. The two often share sweet posts for each other on social media, and recently she shared a picture with Deepika and gushed, "I love you, Deepika Padukone," also known as the only person I hug. Kangana Ranaut is back in the news again for her political comments on the farmers' protests happening in north of India. The actor has been criticized by many Punjabi artists like Himanshi Khurana and Daljit Dosanjh for her inaccurate and insensitive comments about the farmers' protests in India after she alleged that an elderly lady at the protest was also at another protest in Delhi earlier this year and accused her of being available for just ₹100.
These days, Kangana Ranaut frequently finds herself in trouble when she shares posts and makes politically and religiously charged comments on her social media page. The actor, who has been summoned by the Maharashtra police in another case where her comments were found to be objectionable, is now facing trouble after she made factually incorrect statements about an elderly farmer, Mahinder Kaur from Punjab, who was seen at the farmer protest recently. Though Kangana later deleted the post, she's yet to offer an explanation for her blunder. Check it out.
Kangana's continuous comments against the farmers has invited the wrath of artists from Punjab like Himanshi Kaur, who criticized the actor for her perceived lack of sensitivity. हिमांशी और कंगना का झगड़ा तब शुरू हुआ जब कंगना ने एक पोस्ट में लिखा, "Shame. In the name of farmers, हर कोई अपनी रोटियां सेक रहा है. Hopefully the government won't allow anti-national elements to take advantage." हिमांशी ने कंगना के कमेंट्स के खिलाफ ऑब्जेक्शन रेज करते हुए कहा, बात को गलत एंगल देना इनसे सीखे कोई। आफ्टर हिमांशी's criticism, कंगना ने उनके साथ डिबेट करने की जगह उन्हें ब्लॉक कर दिया। To which she reacted and said, "Whoa, करता block." This is not the first time that Kangana has blocked someone who disagreed with her or pointed out errors. हिमांशी के बाद शायद दिलजीत दोसांझ भी ब्लॉक कर दिए जाएंगे because he too has criticized Kangana's comments against the farmers in Punjab. Kangana had shared a post on social media and alleged that the elderly lady from a village near Bhatinda was Bilkis Bano of Shaheen Bagh. She also insulted the elder lady by saying that सिर्फ 100 रुपयों के लिए उन्होंने farmer protest join कर लिया था. Though Kangana later deleted the post, she had managed to outrage many people who were shocked at her tendency to accuse without proof. Diljit Dosanjh shared a news video to prove that the elderly lady as Mahinder Kaur, who is a farmer and a resident of a village near Bhatinda. दलजीत ने अपने पोस्ट में कहा कि लोगों को इतना भी अंधा नहीं होना चाहिए कि बिना सोचे समझे कुछ भी बोल दे. In the news video shared by Daljit, the elderly Mahinder ji and her friends expressed her anger at Kangana's comments and retorted by saying कि कंगना को आके उनके खेतों में काम करना चाहिए, जिसके बदले में वो कंगना को 100 रुपए दे देंगे. Kangana has also been issued a legal notice for not authenticating information before posting it on social media. She has been asked to apologize for her comments in which she accused Mahinder ji of being someone else. कंगना ने भी दिलजीत के ट्वीट पर रिप्लाई किया, यहाँ तक कि उन्होंने अपने रिप्लाई में दिलजीत को करण जौहर का पालतू तक कह दिया. लगता है अब ये ट्विटर वॉर जल्द खत्म नहीं होगा. Looks like Kangana's tendency to seek conflict and controversy is going to get her into serious trouble soon. One can only hope that she steers clear of any serious trouble and remains focused on her career, which may also be impacted by her many trysts with trouble.
Sorry everyone, it's not working. Yes, can you hear me?
You want to connect with me? Yeah.
Okay, let me try that. We are back. Now I'm back. And I think we're back. Can you see me? In the next few weeks, I think I am going to get this right.
Katrina Kaif may be a diva and one of the most successful actors in her generation. But जब बात आती है टेक्नोलॉजी की, she seems to have had her struggles with technology just like all of us during this pandemic.
No, you've signed off. Okay, no, I thought you had more questions.
The pandemic and the lockdown that followed forced a lot of us to move work, socializing, college, school, almost all aspects of our lives online. हमारी तरह हमारे favorite B-Town celebs ने भी technology का support लिया, whether it was for interviews, script meetings or film promotions. While they may have just got a hang of it now, but as Katrina's hilarious video shows us, it wasn't always smooth sailing. Check it out.
The tutorial on how to make an omelette. Izzy, could you talk us through the steps? No!
Katrina spent the lockdown with her sister Isabel, and the two became hugely popular online with their candid videos about cleaning the house, doing the dishes, and handling other household chores that people could immediately identify with.
So since the house help are also practicing self-isolation, me and Izzy have decided to take turns to do the washing up. So I thought I'd do a little refresher tutorial for those of us who...
घर के कामों के अलावा another huge change was shifting all everyday activities online. Our movie stars who are usually extremely busy with events, red carpets, interviews, shoots and other public commitments were forced to take an unexpected sabbatical and figure out ways to conduct their pending work online. Katrina too has adopted the new normal, but the actor has now shared a hilarious candid video to show कि भले ही वो stylish diva हो, टेक्नोलॉजी के मामले में वो कच्ची खिलाड़ी हैं. अपने आप को नॉब बुलाते हुए कटरीना ने अपने वीडियो में अपने कई इंटरव्यूज और इंटरैक्शन से क्लिप्स को जोड़कर एक वीडियो बनाया है with cute sound effects and funny expressions captured to add to its impact. Katrina starts the video with a quick definition of what the word knob means. हम आपको बता दें that it refers to a person who is inexperienced in a particular sphere or activity, especially computing or the use of the internet. वीडियो में कटरीना ने अपने कई टेक्नोलॉजी रिलेटेड गलतियों को इंक्लूड किया है, whether it's not being able to add people on live sessions, struggling to join interactions and interviews, switching off her camera or disconnecting the other person by mistake, and the biggest blooper of all, forgetting to leave a meeting before beginning to talk to her sister.
No, you've signed off. Okay, no, I thought you had more questions.
The video features several known faces including celebrity fitness trainer Yasmin Karachiwala and Katrina's friend Shaheen Bhatt. It's super funny and completely relatable since we all have committed these blunders at some point or the other as we adjusted to interacting with people only on computers and other smart devices. Katrina captioned her post, "For those not so tech-savvy people, who else has spent a great deal of time this year struggling with connectivity issues on their lives? Turn your Wi-Fi on, turn your Wi-Fi off. Are you on 4G? Yes, I am. Hold pleasant faces while waiting for your guest to join who cannot, ensuing a small panic. Most important, make sure you end your live session before having side conversations. We feel your difficulty and amusement, Katrina. ये साल किसी के लिए भी आसान नहीं रहा है. But it's great that you can laugh at yourself in spite of being such a huge star."
No, you've signed off. Okay, no, I thought you had more questions.
Aditya Narayan took social media by storm when he announced that he and his longtime sweetheart Shweta Agarwal would be getting married after dating each other for almost 11 years. The couple married in a small ceremony with just family and a few friends attending given the current restrictions. But from the looks of it, there was no shortage of drama during the ceremony. Check it out.
Aditya Narayan abhi husband हुए हैं, but the singer and TV host is already enjoying married life. Even as videos of his wedding have been going viral, no one realized that Aditya had to change his pajamas in the middle of the wedding thanks to an unexpected wardrobe malfunction. Aditya and Shweta married at ISKCON Temple in Juhu, Mumbai, and videos of the wedding ceremony have been circulating on social media. Speaking to a portal, Aditya ne bataya that he and Shweta are very lucky to have found each other and stuck by each other through thick and thin. Maybe that's why Aditya अपनी बीवी को एक नहीं बल्कि 3 मिनी हनीमून्स पे ले जाने वाले हैं. Since Aditya has to shoot every week, the couple will be making 3 short trips to Shilim, Sula Vineyards and Gulmarg. When asked if, like most of Bollywood, the two would also visit the Maldives, Aditya ne kaha that since he is the unofficial ambassador of the island state, a trip there is also possible. The couple will also be moving into a new 5-bedroom apartment that Aditya has bought for them in Andheri. आदित्य ने कहा है कि उन्होंने कई साल तक अपने पैसे बचाए और अपनी वाइफ के लिए ये घर खरीदा है और एक अच्छे हस्बैंड की तरह he has surrendered 70% of the closet space to his wife. The best part is that the house is close to his parents' home so the family can stay close. Though the couple looks stunning in the beautiful color-coordinated clothes, Aditya had a slight wardrobe malfunction in the middle of the ceremony. Speaking about his memorable moment, Aditya ne kaha, "I had to wear my friend's pajama. Mine tore while I was being lifted to put the garland on Shweta, so I had to wear his for the feras. Luckily, my friend and I are of similar build." Well, looks like बड़े-बड़े लोगों के weddings में ऐसी छोटी-छोटी problems होती हैं. But all's well that ends well, and we wish the couple a very happy married life.
And now it's time for a quick break on the show, but don't go anywhere, we have a lot more on the other side.
भारती सिंह के अरेस्ट ने स्टैंड अप कॉमेडियंस के बीच तनाव का माहौल क्रिएट कर दिया है। While some of her friends and colleagues in the industry are supporting her and showing empathy towards her, there are others like Raju Srivastav, जिन्होंने भारती और उनके हस्बैंड को उनके अरेस्ट पे strongly criticize किया है। This has led to a war of words between him and Bharti's friend Krishna Abhishek.
The controversy surrounding Bharti Singh's arrest seems to be deepening and exposing differences between artists within the comedy fraternity in India. While Bharti and her husband, who were released on bail, have remained tight-lipped and stayed away from the public eye ever since they were released on bail, rumors about Bharti being asked to leave a popular show has raised questions about how her tryst with the NCB is likely to affect her future career prospects. Check it out.
Bharti and Harsh were arrested after small quantities of a banned substance were found in their home and office. The comedian and her husband were arrested and have allegedly accepted before the NCB that they consumed banned substances. However, since the amount found was very small and it was for personal consumption, the two were released on bail by the NDPS court. But soon after, rumors shuru hue that Bharti, who makes frequent appearances on a show hosted by comedian and TV anchor Kapil Sharma, may be asked to leave the show because of her supposedly tarnished track record now. लेकिन भारती के कई कॉलीग्स ने इस रूमर को गलत बताते हुए कहा है कि भारती को शो से नहीं निकाला गया है।
वैसे भी जो लोगों को हंसाता है उसके साथ करोड़ों लोगों की दुआएं हमेशा से दिल से दुआएं निकलती हैं इनके लिए और आज भी यही निकल रही हैं।
Krishna Abhishek, who is also a part of Kapil's show, had reacted to rumors of Bharti's ouster and said, "Even if something like this happens, I will support Bharti. She should get back to work. जो हो गया वो हो गया. Both Kapil and I are with her. She has my unconditional support." लेकिन जहां एक तरफ शो के कास्ट मेंबर्स भारती को लेके सपोर्टिव है, वहीं राजू श्रीवास्तव, who is also a successful comedian, has been critical of Bharti's arrest and had questioned Bharti on why she resorted to consuming banned substances. Don't you think the love from 130 crore people is any less intoxication? Why do you need to do all this? He had commented during an interview. राजू जी के ये कमेंट्स कृष्णा को गलत लगा and he lashed out at the comedian saying कि उन्होंने बहुत ही बकवास बात की है and added कि उनकी पूरी टीम राजू जी से नाराज है। इस वॉर ऑफ वर्ड्स को एस्केलेट करते हुए राजू श्रीवास्तव ने भी कृष्णा के क्रिटिसिज्म का जवाब दे दिया और उनसे पूछा है कि क्या कृष्णा बैन सब्सटेंसेस कंज्यूम करने को सही मानते हैं। द सीनियर कॉमेडियन सेड, व्हेन कृष्णा सेज ही स्टैंड्स बाय भारती, डज ही मीन ही डिफेंड्स हर? Is this the kind of image that he wants to project of the comedy community? Should I not pull up a wrongdoer in our community? Or have Krishna and Bharti become such big performers that I can't criticize them? It is unfortunate that the community stands divided in a difficult situation, quite like Bollywood was torn apart in the aftermath of Sushant Singh Rajput's demise. One can only hope that Bharti finds ways to make amends and makes a return to the field which has brought her so much love and appreciation.
And with that, we come to the end of another episode of Planet Bollywood. We will be back again tomorrow, same time, same place, with all the latest and most updated news from the world of Bollywood and social media. Until then, check out our Zoom Facebook page for minute-by-minute updates about your favorite celebrities. I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Until then, ciao.